If you want to learn how I qualified for a 90,000 SLC token airdrop under 10 days, keep watching. It is estimated to be worth 0.05 to 0.005, which means you will assure an airdrop of $4,500 to bare minimum $450 for free in 10 days. For getting started, head over to App Store or Play Store and install the Silencio app. Use the code CALLMEXID for a bonus. As you can see, I am in the Diamond League. Here you can see my profile and my rewards. For qualifying for the Silencio airdrop, all you have to do is select the street measurement when you go for a walk, a earn with your smartphone. As I have already covered the hex in this area, it shows 0. Covering news hex will get you more points. It has only been 10 days for me, and the airdrop token generate event is scheduled for mid-February. Here you can also see the in-app coins I have earned in 10 days. Silencio is a DEPIN-like grass network and is expected to have a multi-million market cap on launch.